Well, good morning, YouTube. It's another wonderful Minnesotan morning on April 1st. And I thought I'd make a real quick video. I've got an exciting package that showed up today for the red truck here. Boop. These are aluminum. They are metal door handles for the rear doors. Finally. Found a company that makes these things, and of course they are made in Taiwan, but so are the ones that are on there. But they're chrome handled, but it's, I'll just show you here. Give me a second to open the thing. Alright, yeah, so these are metal door handles where it counts. Where it counts. I've always had this tab snap off, or I've even had the handle snap off and the tab be fine. So I could tell you, because I put a set on the LBZ there, I could tell you they do give you a vote of confidence when you go to open your door. Holy Hannah. It is nice to just be able to whip open the door and not worry about snapping anything. So you can get these off of eBay or off of Amazon. I don't believe they have their own website or anything, but the company name, or the seller's name, is I Am Auto Parts. Not AM Auto Parts or Am Auto Parts, it's I Am Auto Parts. I don't know if they're trying to be Am Auto Parts, because Am Auto Parts is pretty freaking big, but this set was $40. A little less than $40. Well, with Amazon shipping, it was 42 something, or tax, I should say. With tax, it was 42 something. eBay's probably going to charge you tax too, but at least you get free shipping. Unless you're a Prime member, then you get shipping for the Amazon as well. But $40 versus $7 per, so pretty much half the price for these chintzy things. And these doors are getting, they're getting stuck now in their older age, and you go to open it, that's what happens. And I was not trying to break it, but the door did not want to open because it's getting jammed. So there you go. That's what happens with these cheap Chinese garbage things. These are Dormans, which probably doesn't help, but people said, well, it pays to have the OEM ones. Well, maybe it does, but these are better than OEM. I can already tell you. I've already used them over there. And I'll show you what they look like installed, because I don't really do install videos, so I can find the right key fob here. Here we go. Great. Nobody wants to touch the other truck. So there you go. I left the plastic on because I want to keep them nice, and I don't mind having the plastic on there. Sorry for the shaky camera. I know I should be probably using my gimbal since I don't hardly ever use it, but I mean, this door is really bad for getting stuck. And it's just solid. Just solid when you go to use it. It is very nice. Don't ever have to worry about breaking the door handle anymore. So definitely worth it. So $40, you know, it sure as hell beats buying the OEM ones for $80 per handle off Amazon. Screw that noise, man. Screw that. So I'm gonna get these warrantied out, because they do have a lifetime warranty, and I'm probably just gonna sell them to some schmuck. But I mean, frick yeah, man. These are what you want to get if you're tired of them door handles breaking, because like I said, $40, you really can't beat it. You cannot beat it. All metal, well, metal where it counts. So I do believe they make, or at least I saw on eBay, they make a black version if you don't want the chrome. It was really hard to tell whether or not it was actually metal in pictures, but if it says it's all metal, you can at least try it with free returns. What's there to lose, I guess, besides some time? So But yeah, I just figured I'd make a quick little video promoting this guy, because, I mean, frickin' rights, man. Finally, not break everything you try and open. That literally was not what I was planning on happening. But, I mean, this door is getting really kind of, the latches are getting jank, so what can you do about it? What can you do about it? I've lubed everything up on this truck and that one, but these doors just like to hang, I guess, so like to hang up and cause problems. So thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you guys out. That's I Am Auto Parts, not am. So there will be more update videos today, as I am getting 2 more packages, and I don't even remember what one of them is. And I have to go pick up the other one when they call me and tell me it's ready. And I am excited to show you guys that. So, other than my BK cup there, thanks for watching. God bless.